So we have one down. Yeah, we have one down. Might be waiting a while. JetPlus VR. Oh, the button did light up. It was stupid. I think this is like hoarding. It's Powdermaker hall or something. Oh, it's got one of those ADA chimes. Whoa, ground indicators. Before, oh, switch. All right, now we'll go. Please go down. Yes. Look at that. 2,000 pound capacity. There is no brand on this. Yell test. Wait. Synergy. We'll end it on G. Here's your cab. Pretty good base motor. Wasn't anything too spectacular, but it's passable. You got your GAL JetPlus VR buttons. I have no idea who installed this. Just because I think in that box it's Synergy, it makes me think ThyssenKrupp, but I'm not just gonna assume that. This does not look like a ThyssenKrupp at all. Something interesting though. Yeah, we'll end down here. Scam bots. There it goes, and that's it.